So in this question, we have boron-9 can be represented as which of the following? And if you look at these different answer choices, all of them are examples of a nuclear notation. And what you need to know about a nuclear notation is that you're going to have some type of like, I'll put an X right here, but it can be any chemical symbol. And in this case, it's going to be a B because boron on the periodic table is a B. But it's going to be that chemical notation. Or the nuclear notation is going to be whatever symbol it is, and then you're going to have this Z number down here, and then you're going to have an A number up here. And the Z number, what that represents is that's going to be the number of protons. So I'm going to write the number of protons. And the number of protons, that's going to determine what element we're talking about. And this A number right in here, that's going to be the mass number. So I'll write mass number. And what the mass number is it's how many protons and how many neutrons added up. So I want to put the proton plus, and then we'll say the neutrons. And so it's always going to be this whole number. And so what we'll do is if we go to the periodic table, we're going to see that boron looks like this. It's got a B for boron, and then we got a 5 up top, and then we got like a 10.811 here. And so this is what a typical what it typically looks like on the periodic table. These numbers right here and right here, they might be flipped on the periodic table that you're looking at. So you have to use the key that comes with the periodic table. Most of the time, this 5 is going to be up top right here. And what this 5 is, that's going to be the number of protons. So that number is going to go on the bottom right in here. And so you see that we have B and C both have that. So it's going to be B or C. And what we'll do next is look at this A number. And the A number, that's going to be the number of protons plus neutrons. And so this number right here is the number of protons. And so we have 5 and then plus some number over here, and that's going to equal this 9 right here. And what this 9 is right here is that's going to be the mass number. And so that's going to be 4. So this is going to be 4 neutrons that's in this particular isotope of this atom. Now, we don't have to know this for this particular problem, but it's also kind of just good to know that this particular isotope would have 4 neutrons in it. And so the answer choice is going to be B right in here.